Welcome back to your favorite channel. We will learn the simple present tense through sentences. We go to school. We go to school. We go to school. They play games. They play games. They play games. I like pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. She wears a blue dress. She wears a blue dress. She wears a blue dress. He always arrives on time. He always arrives on time. He always arrives on time. He works hard. He works hard. He works hard. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. We watch TV. We watch TV. We watch TV. She reads a book. She reads a book. She reads a book. I have a pet. I have a pet. I have a pet. They study English. They study English. They study English. I enjoy hiking. I enjoy hiking. I enjoy hiking. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. We live in a big city. We live in a big city. We live in a big city. He helps his sister. He helps his sister. He helps his sister. She teaches English. She teaches English. She teaches English. He listens to music. He listens to music. He listens to music. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. We visit our grandparents. We visit our grandparents. We visit our grandparents. They have a cat and a dog. They have a cat and a dog. They have a cat and a dog. She cooks dinner. She cooks dinner. She cooks dinner. He enjoys fishing. He enjoys fishing. He enjoys fishing. We buy groceries every week. We buy groceries every week. We buy groceries every week. They clean the house together. They clean the house together. They clean the house together. He fixes computers. He fixes computers. He fixes computers. We visit the beach in summer. We visit the beach in summer. We visit the beach in summer. I speak with my neighbors. I speak with my neighbors. I speak with my neighbors. I meet friends for coffee. I meet friends for coffee. I meet friends for coffee. She goes shopping on weekends. She goes shopping on weekends. She goes shopping on weekends. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. She does yoga every morning. She does yoga every morning. She does yoga every morning. He rides a skateboard. He rides a skateboard. He rides a skateboard. They go to the cinema. They go to the cinema. They go to the cinema. He takes the bus to work. He takes the bus to work. He takes the bus to work. We take photos on vacations. We take photos on vacations. We take photos on vacations. Now, after listening to the previous sentences, let's solve these questions.
Watch. Look. Has. Play. Bakes. Take. Rides. Works. Watch. Live. Visits. Go. Rings. rings, play, tells, read, grow, stops, go, shines,